NASA just revealed exactly how it plans to build a permanent human settlement on the moon. And it starts with buggies, drones and landers arriving before a single astronaut sets foot there. NASA awarded contracts to 4 companies to kick things off. Blue Origin will deliver landers to carry lunar rovers built by Astrolab and Lunar Outpost to the moon's south pole. Firefly Aerospace will send the first drones. All of this hardware is set to arrive before astronauts ever land, targeted for as early as 2028. From 2029 into the early 2030s, NASA builds the permanent infrastructure, including a full power grid. By the 2030s, the goal is specialized habitats where astronauts can live for extended periods. As NASA's program executive put it, this is about proving victory permanently there and not giving it up.